Hello, welcome to today's One Take bike review, and today we're reviewing the Apollo Etienne. This is a ladies hybrid bike with a relatively low step through. So let's have a look. Okay, so the frame set. So you get an aluminium frame set with a really low step through. You don't get anywhere to mount a water bottle. It's lightweight alley tech. You get a replaceable hanger. You get mounts for mud guards and a rack. You get a chain guard sort of mounted to the frame to a degree. You get a steel fork, I believe, and mounts for V brakes. So that's the frame, and it has a really low step over height, which gives people a lot of confidence. The components, right, what do you get? So let's start with the wheels. You get alloy wheels, but they're not, there's no branding on them. You get hybrid tyres. Again, these are Cheng Shin tyres, so they're nothing particularly special. This one's got a basket fitted. You do get mud guards with these. You get a steel handlebar. You get an alley micro adjust stem, and then you get SRAM grip shift max, which is 6-speed shifter and a 3-speed shifter, and you get Tektro brakes. Having a look at the gears, you get really basic Shimano gears. You get 6 gears at the back. You get 3 at the front with a Shimano with an SR Suntour chain set. You get an alloy rack. The mud guards are GRP. And then you get a Apollo branded saddle. It's quite wide. Show you that with a cutout, and you get steel seat post. This one's got a basket attached. That's not standard. Okay, let's have a look at the build. So what we got here? So the wheels look alright to me. There's a little brace there to offer a bit more strength. Weld here could be tidier. Weld here could be a little bit tidier. This is normally where they're a bit of a mess down here. This one, it's okay, but it's not great. The bottom one is pretty good, but the top one's a bit untidy. Is it square and true? Yeah, it looks pretty good from where I can see. So look at the front. Yeah, it looks like everything's as it should be. So the build isn't bad, but it's not going to set the world alight. So the look, let's step back and have a look. I think it looks quite classy. I think it's quite a classy looking bike, I have to say. Looks very looks quite sophisticated. If you're going for a nice bike ride in the country or along the seafront, I think this would be the perfect bike. I think it looks understated. It's sort of nice colourways. The mudguards sort of blend in with the frame. Yeah, I like the look of it. Value for money. Okay, when these come out, I think they were just shy of £300. I've just had a look online. You can get unserviced, unchecked. You can get one of these for between £70 and £90. Bargain. Absolute bargain. Would I buy one? Yeah, I think I would. I think I would. Now, I'm not saying I'm the sort of person who would ride a ladies low step over bike, but if I was in the market for one, aluminium frame, gears that are almost bulletproof, they're not that sophisticated, but they work and work and work and work. You get a rack. I think these are great value for money. So yeah, I would recommend one of these. These are really nice bikes. So if this has helped, if you're thinking of getting one of these, if you've had one of these and you love it or you loathe it, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to watch our other reviews of other bikes. We're getting quite a collection now. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.